Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a review of this keyboard. It's the Durgod K320. See right there. Yeah, so it's really a really good keyboard. Overall, I like it a lot. Why I chose it because it has silent keys, which are really rare to find. This is the only keyboard that I could find with silent keys. It's a mechanical keyboard, and even though it's a mechanical keyboard, its keys are really silent, so you can barely hear them. You can still hear them, but it's not as loud as other kind of blue cherry switches or any other ones. So it allows me to work with my wife here. We work in the same office next to each other, so this is less loud. So I guess like I can play games while she's working and not bother her. One thing I didn't like about it at the beginning was that you feel the feedback less than on other keyboards. The keyboard that I had previously, you could really feel the click when you press the key. With this one, it's a little bit harder. The keys are softer, and of course the sound is silent, so you can't tell when you press the key, unless like you see it typed on the screen. But after a few days, after 2 to 3 days, I got used to it. So it wasn't really a big deal after a while. I think it was mostly at the beginning getting adjusted to the feel of the buttons. The silent switches, not buttons. I'll probably use it as my main keyboard for a while. For gaming, for work I use a Mac, an Apple keyboard. But for gaming I use this one all the time. And it's been working out really great. It has, so when you connect it here, it uses USB-C. And then on your computer it uses the normal USB ports. What I like about it is that you can set up the lights configuration via hardware. So it's a key combination where you can just change the settings on the go. You don't really have to install any software. That's pretty nice. I think that's a feature I would like to see in other keyboards as well. Because you don't have to go into the software and configure it, update it, or things like that. It's just very easy. You just press the shortcuts that it already has set up. So you just have to plug it in and do the shortcut, and you can switch the light settings. It's just white lights. It's not an RGB keyboard. That's also what I like about it. I didn't want an RGB keyboard. So one thing it has is it has the usual 2 levels of height when you want to just put it vertically, if you want to adjust it, the angle. Yeah, the usual 2. Overall, really good keyboard, highly recommended. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week.